Alright guys, so I do try to generally stay away from making these kinds of videos, talking about people's fake giveaways and stuff like that, but this one is just, it's not exactly, it's predatory in a different way from the last one, and it has directly affected a couple members, at least, who have messaged me on Twitter saying, yeah, I've entered this and spent the time. And the reason I'm saying this is because the way this person does it is a trick a lot of people actually use in the, I guess we can call it the fake giveaway community. But in a lot of channels that do fake giveaways, and this is almost just a video to show you guys how to spot these, how to, tell what to look for to see if you believe a giveaway is fake or not. Now, this is my opinion, but I will be telling you why I believe it's my opinion, why I believe it's, well, I know it's, but why I believe this to be true, that this is a fake channel. And the channel I'm talking about today is AlphaTech. AlphaTech. As far as what I thought is AlphaTech's an actual brand, and they're using a different company's brand image to do, but I don't actually remember what I think. I mixed up AlphaTech with Arctic, because they do look very similar. But AlphaTech, this is the channel. I have linked the channel below. Right, I'm giving them free publicity. Who cares? It's publicity, and then there's, some people are going to go over there and get tricked, and some people are going to be like, okay, now I know. But basically, here's my opinion and what I'm saying. In most of their giveaway videos, which is not very many, they just posted the same video a few times. So in the videos where they do a giveaway, in the description below the video, it says, enter this giveaway with this Google form, and you will be contacted privately by an employee of AlphaTech. That sounds all well and good. You think, okay, this is a company giving away things. Okay, publicity, that makes sense. But here's where the part gets weird. You would think that a company with this level of professionalism would not go out of their way to attack another YouTuber. I'm not a professional company, so I will gladly go out of my way to do such acts, with founded reason. But this person, who is pretending to be a company, has decided to come into my comment section and directly attack me. Now, I am not going to delete their comments, because they are absolutely within their right to comment that. That is their opinion. They have backed it up with no facts, but they have decided to come in and attack me and then brag about how many subs they have. Now, I don't know if they have that many subs, because they've decided to hide their sub count. Because if you knew they only had 2,300 subs, you would realize that a company that is supposedly as big as AlphaTech to do these pretty high-budget videos of them building their own PCs, apparently, and giving them away, you would think they would have more than 2,300 subscribers. So, that's part of it. Second of all, like I said, an employee of a company would not go out of their way this far. They would maybe tweet about it. I've seen media, like Pizza Hut or Domino's or whatever, they tweet about stupid stuff. But this is just a whole new level of just why. It's one thing, like I say, I was actually, originally, I looked at the channel, I'm like, okay, I didn't know how many subs they had until now, until this person decided to use it to insult me. They try to attack with this just very stupid line. I have it up on my computer. And he called me a DURF. I don't know what that means. D-U-R-F. It's not even a word. But that's besides the point. So, the channel is AlphaTech, and I can already guess a lot of you that are watching this have watched their videos. And like I said, if you want to continue to watch those, and you want to continue to enter those giveaways, that's entirely up to you. I believe they're fake based on, yes, this is I guess you could say, a less founded reason than the last one, where you can literally just see it is completely fake. But this one, I believe it's fake. You can clearly, I would not expect an employee of a company like this to go out of their way to attack another channel who has more subs, apparently, hide their subscriber count, have less. I would say a company that supposedly gives away computers would have a lot more than 2,300 subscribers. I mean, I think Newegg even has more. Yeah, Newegg has more subscribers. They don't even give away computers, as far as I know. I don't really watch Newegg's videos, because they're a company. I don't watch company videos. But that's the point. So, I just wanted to show you this, in case it affects anyone. This is a fake channel. I'm pretty sure AlphaTech is a real company. I cannot for the life of me remember what they do. Give me 1 sec. I'm going to Google them. Okay, well, there is an AlphaTech that is an app developing company, and there's also a firearms company named AlphaTech. But what's weird is that they both have similar triangular logos to this fake giveaway channel. That's what I think is weird. And like I said, this is something I've seen multiple times. I don't exactly remember the exact channel names, but I've seen this is a honestly perfect example of the type of predatory practice you'll see where they try, so it's so much production, they post the same thing in each comment section, this almost business class level description about enter with this form and you'll be contacted in private. The contacted in private is an excuse never to actually say a winner anywhere. Now, originally, I had the same problem where I did not say winners just because I was worried about them getting harassed. But I found that now to be more of a non-issue because I have asked some of the winners, and recent ones have not been harassed, except most of them have blocked me, which is why I can't keep getting videos. But that's the point. So, and also, this does bring up a segue, since I have the chance to talk about this, because I know 1,000 comments are going to happen. What happened, the 10,000 sub giveaway. I don't know how people got confused on that. I clearly don't have 10,000 subscribers at the time of making this video. And yes, it has been a week. But somehow people mixed up with, I said, if I got 10,000 subs in a week, I would give away 2 on the spot, 2 PC starter kits. But if I didn't get it within a week, I would give away 1 when I hit 10,000 subscribers. I say that in the video. I'm not like making new stuff up. You can clearly watch the video. Then I've said it slower. Go back and watch and you'll see I said the same thing. And I do announce my winners, but I do announce them on Twitch. I don't want to have videos where there's 1,000 people in the comments going, "Wow, I can't believe I didn't win." On Twitch, it's easy. You just clear chat and everyone shuts up. But that's the point. So I do announce them on Twitch and Twitter, and I usually post them in my community section of my YouTube page. I just don't make a whole video announcing a winner. I did that once, and it turned out horribly. You won't find that video, though, because I've deleted it. Because it was, like I said, horrible. People are like, you baited us. The winner was some weird guy. And whatever. So, that's what I'm saying. So, I don't know how people got confused. And also, with those videos where I say, giveaway live on Twitch, the giveaways are monthly. That's just me telling you, I'm live right now, come get some entries. Because the rules of that, basically, every 10 minutes, everyone watching, the viewer list is copied, pasted into the bot. Well, basically a random picking bot that randomly picks based on how many entries. 5 times, you get 5 extra entries for every 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes, it's not every 10 minutes you're watching, it's just every 10 minutes generally. But if you're watching for 10 minutes, you have at least 5 entries. And then you get Twitch Prime sub and etc. for more, but basically, you get the point. That's how the Twitch ones work, and those are every month. And those are actually what are helping fund a lot of my giveaways now, because last month's paycheck, which I think I actually have released on my community section, was actually pretty high. It helps me pay for things like this Asus ROG motherboard we're making a video about, hopefully, and stuff like that. So, yeah. That's where the giveaway starter kits are coming from. Instead of doing 1 PC with that whole budget, including shipping and stuff, I can do 2 starter kits, 1 on YouTube, 1 on Twitch with that budget, and still have a little left over to buy things I want, like this brand new Radeon 7. So, what was the gist of this video? My opinion is that AlphaTech giveaways are fake, based on the predatory practice they're using of pretending to be a business, and then, like I said, if they were doing that normally, I'd be like, okay, maybe they're a business. But the fact is, the mix of that being a common practice of fake giveaways, and then also an employee of a company, I'm doing a lot of air quotes because it is air quotes is what's required here for this situation, coming out and attacking a random YouTuber that has nothing to do with them. It's not like I attacked first, and even with PC Central giveaways, aka levels, I actually didn't come at them first. They did come into my comment section first, and that caused me to check you out. If you're doing fake giveaways, don't come into my comment section. It's a bad idea. So, just the video. AlphaTech fake giveaways. And giveaway for the PC starter kits, still at 10K. I've got them all in that back corner right there. You can't see them behind the Razer products. Yeah, you can. You can kind of see the motherboard boxes. They're there, waiting. So one ends on February 10th. I might change that to 15th, because payout day for Twitch is on the 15th of every month. So it might just make more sense. But basically, 10th or 15th of February is when the Twitch one ends, and the other one ends at 10,000 subs. At 10,000 subs, approximately during the week that I get 10,000 subs, there will be a video being like, hey guys, we just hit 10,000 subs. You know what that means? And then I'll be like, I'm announcing a winner on Twitch, and see if we can get like 200 people there, like we did for last announcement. That's the point. What do you guys think in the comments below? If you think I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. I'd like to know why you think I'm wrong, and if you have maybe won anything from AlphaTech, have they actually given it to? I've gotten a bunch of screenshots already of the last fake channel I've trying to actually get people to give them money. Yes, the PC Central Giveaways, aka Levels channel, I have received multiple screenshots, which I will probably be sharing on Twitter once I make sure there's no, because there is some personal information in some of them, where they ask them to pay for shipping, and they have them try to have them wire money through Western Union, I believe is the bank. I'm pretty sure that bank is using like wire fraud all the time. But whatever. Basically, some wire fraud looking stuff, having them wire money to other countries for them to get back. It's really weird, but these are screenshots that I've received, multiple actually, not from just one person. That's what's really weird about them. So I will be tweeting those out. Follow my Twitter, link in the description. That's the point. Hope you guys learned something. I hate to wreck my upload schedule, which is at this point I think it's every 2 days. I want to get daily uploads. Honestly, I have enough stuff in this office that I could do daily uploads. I'm really swamped right now with other stuff, and editing takes a minute with 4K video. Though I have started recording in 1080p. That's the point. So I did want to make this take precedent. I'm going to upload the second I get it done, because it is important that you guys know what I think about this channel. They came at me first. Check the comments. Actually, I'm going to pin their comments. They're on my giveaway video, my 10,000 sub giveaway video. So I'm going to pin their comments. Check them out right now. I'm not going to put them up on the screen. I can't risk putting anything up on the screen from another channel that I guess you could say I don't want to say the word attack, because I'm not really attacking. It's more of a, hey, yo, warning, this guy might be fake. He came into my comment section and didn't act very business casual or whatever. But yeah. So a channel that I talk about, I don't want to include any content from, even if it's just a comment, because I get, in my copyright section, it does tell me when anything from my video gets put in someone else's, just in case, and that'll appear in theirs too. So that's his point. Like I said, you can even see his comment where he's like, I got 2,300 subs. He clearly hides his sub count so that you don't know that they're clearly not a company. That's his point. Hope you guys learned something. If you think I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. And of course, feel free to keep subscribing to him. I'm not telling you to unsubscribe or anything. I would not do that. They are still a channel. That's his point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.